Welcome again to Mathematics Learning video with me, Miss Diana. Okay, in this learning video, we're gonna learn further about how to sketch modulus function. What is a modulus function? Modulus function is actually a function which involves the absolute value. So if there is a function whose the absolute value in that function, we call it modulus function. Okay, now in this video also we're gonna see the difference between the common function, like the function whose no absolute value, and the function with absolute value, or we call it modulus function. What is the difference between them? Okay, now first thing first, we're gonna see how to sketch y equals to x like this. Okay, pay attention on this function. This function is a linear function because this function has the degree 1, because the highest exponent of this function is 1. So this is actually a linear function, and for linear function we just need like two points, and then when we link that points, we have that graph, we have that sketch of y equals to x. Okay, now first thing first, we have to make a table here, a table x and y. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, just pick one number for x. It can be whatever you want, but to make it easier, just take 0 first, and then take you can take -1 or 1. I'll take here 1. Okay, if the x equals to 0, then y equals to 0. If x equals to 1, then y equals to 1. So actually from this we can have 0, 0, and then from this part actually we have a point 1, 1. So we have 2 points here, and then the next thing, we need to plot those points into the Cartesian diagram. So 0, 0 in here, this is 0, 0, and 1, 1, this is 1, this is also 1 in here. So we just need to draw a line. Okay, the next thing, how if we include the absolute value in the function? So y equals to the absolute value of x. How to draw it? The same thing, but for this modulus function, actually modulus function has a vertex. And the first thing first, we need to find out the x of the vertex. So we can find the x coordinate of the vertex from the things inside the absolute sign here. So in here we have x, so x equals to 0. So x equal to 0 is the x coordinate of the vertex of this function actually. So let's make a table first, x and y table. This is x, this is y. So we have the x coordinate of the vertex first here, and then take 2x from the left and 2x from the right. So 2x from the left is -1 and -2, and then take 2x from the right is 1 and 2. Okay, just write it like that, and then find the y of each x here. So if x is -2, so absolute value of -2 is 2. And then if x is -1, the absolute value of 1 is 1. The absolute value of 0 is 0. The absolute value of 1 is 1. And the absolute value of 2 is 2. So in here we have -2, 2. In here we have -1, 1. In here we have 0, 0. And then 1, 1, and then 2, 2. And then the next thing, we need to plot it into the Cartesian diagram. Remember, this is the vertex, so we plot first the vertex here. In here, this is the vertex of this modulus function, and then we continue to the right first. To the right first is 1, 1. Supposedly this is 1, this is 1. Okay, this is 1, 1, and then 2, 2. 2 and 2 in here. Okay, now we continue with the left side of the vertex. in here we have a minus 1,1, so in here is minus 1, by the y coordinate is 1 in here, and then a minus 2,2, this is minus 2, and the y coordinate is 2 in here, so this. Let's link all the points here. From the right side we can have this line, from the left side we can have this line. Okay, and it goes up and also goes up. Then we have this graph. This is the graph of y equals the absolute value of x. Okay, now pay attention on this graph. If we have the function without an absolute value, the function is like this, y equals to x. But after we put the absolute value here, remember that if we have the absolute value, we will not have the negative number. So we will not have this kind of function here, because below the x-axis we have y in negative number. In absolute value we will not have like that. So look at this, after 0.0, the line that the first time goes like this will then goes up like this.